Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
Now, if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, guys, I'm going to share with you one secret that we use to actually find out what the millionaires, or aka whales, are actually buying. So here's an interesting thing that you can do right now. Let me just share this. This is the first time on Root Zones we're going to share something that I know that you guys is going to really benefit from this. So here we go. Let me find my screen. Take some time. And sometimes I can't even find my screen. Here we go, guys. Okay, so step one, you head over to whales alert, right? So you can see this is a whale alert. You can actually head down to the handle. But basically, when there's large transactions that happen, they actually will show you like what kind of big transactions are coming, and then they can come from CeFi exchanges, they can come from the wallet, they can come from Nexo. So here, what is we are going to do is click one of these. Let's test this out. And now I know that somebody actually transferred about $34 million from one unknown source to another, which is a Coinbase exchange. So what I can do, I'll double click, copy this exchange, head over to Zapper5, put in this address code, and voila, guys. Let's see what this whale portfolio is all about. So this guy has exactly 43, so it's about 70 million today. And he has about Ethereum. So let's check another whale. Let's go. Let's even check where it came from. It's an unknown source, so most likely this whale has it in his wallet. Let's do a check on his wallet. So these are investigative work, which helps us to actually make certain trades based on what the whales are doing, because they most likely have certain insights. So now he has nothing in this particular wallet. Let me just go back to whale alert. Let's go and look at another transaction that happened. So it went to FTX exchange. Let me just go back to Zapper and let's see what this particular whale has in his wallet. Look at these guys. $732 million worth of Ethereum, right? And second to that, about $6,000 worth of BIT. Some other, I think this is the this is the Ethereum that is on Polygon network. I can see a Polygon network there. USDT, about thousands, and then of course Trader Joe's and some other coins. So what I like to do is always I like to check out the whales, what they are doing, what are they buying. But I've already done the research for you guys. So the top 3 coins that I see that right now the whales are doing is BUSD, a stable coin, Ethereum, right, is the operating system of the world, and PAXG. So I think the first two you guys know about that. I'm not going to cover that. Let me just go to coin market cap. Let me just show you what is PAXG. PAXG. Here we go. PAXG is actually gold, right? Because in time of crisis, people always look forward to gold. So this actually is a crypto kind of a standard that tracks the movement of gold. So you know that right now gold is actually at about 1,009, and you can see right now this is close to $2,000 on the 24th of February, just a couple days back last month. And of course, gold price have dropped, but gold has been recently increasing. So there's two alternatives. Either you have access to purchase gold as a retailer spot price, or you can actually head over to the cryptocurrency and just buy PAX gold, because like I said, it just models where gold is going. So you can look that right now, although most of the transactions are coming into the crypto space, because Russia, the Russia, I think, have lost almost 40%. The banks, they have been shut down by the banks, the stock market. So people are trying to move their money out, and we know the issues with central banks, the cross-border transactions. There's high transaction fee, takes a lot of time, a lot of inquiries, and all the red tapes you can possibly think of where you got this money, where's the source, because of money laundering and all that. But yet, with cryptocurrency, they are able to actually transact. And so just take note, these are the 3 coins. Keep yourself safe as we see what is going to happen with the war, as they are doing some peace talks. Let's hope that we do not go into World War III. So that's all I have today, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if this is valuable to you. We have not only one, but many such secrets, and we'll share with you guys in bits and pieces. So test this out. Let me know what you think. Manish, I'm going to hand over to you. That's all I have today.
Sure. Thanks, man. So I have two updates today. I'm going to share today. One is coming from Solana. Solana is something that we are very passionate about, and there's some good news is coming from Solana, and probably this message will be uh, what's that? Will be maybe useful to you guys. So let's check that out. What is coming up this week from Solana? The upside setup for Solana price appears despite Solana based investment products seeing a significant capital outflows. Solana is not only a cryptocurrency, it's a blockchain, and they have a very big NFT marketplace. And NFT, they are into something that people are very much interested. The reason behind is their fast transactions and lower gas fees. So that makes Solana something different, and this has been called also a Ethereum killer. So the price of Solana may rise by over 45% in coming week, which is very important. Let's prepare, guys. I think this is the right time to buy it, and this is something that I would say uh, not risky also, because this is a coin which has a great future. Of course, it's not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies, but this is something that we are very passionate about. So may rise over 45% in the coming week as the cryptocurrency intend to complete a double bottom chart pattern against the US state dollar. A 150 Solana ahead, a double bottom typically appears at the end of a downtrend when the price falls to a low, rebound, and return to the level near the previous low. The bear unable to push the price to a newer lower, the selling sentiment become the exhausted, leading to a sharp upside retracement and a breakout move forward. So Solana has been somewhat painting a similar pattern since January 24, especially after extending its rebound, moving by rise 25% week to date and reach above $100. So additionally, a visible bullish divergence between Solana price and relative strength index trend indicate a high probability of a double bottom breakout. So, nonetheless, the bullish confirmations might come if Solana price break above the double bottom neckline near 120 with a rise in trading volume. So, as it happens, Solana upside target could be at length equal to a maximum distance between the double bottom pattern's lowest point and its neckline. So that would put Solana in a route at least 150. So while possibility of continuing the bullish move towards $170 mark in the red in the chart above. So guys, this is the time I think we should get prepared. This is something that initial month where we just got a pay, and probably we are ready to invest as well. So bull trap risk, the double bottom envision Solana at 150 or above. Popular market analyst Cap warned about the potentials bull trap in the Solana market. Nothing that altcoin and a whole would resume their downtrends. So pseudonymous analysts presented $120 and double bottom neckline as a solid resistance level that would most likely limit Solana ongoing upside retracement. He also applied the popular elite wave theory to hint about the beginning of Solana next bearish wave cycle, as tagged with C in the chart below. You can see here. Okay, so it's impossible to meet me to be bullish here after the break of all bullish MS plus corrective moves to the upside. So Cop said on March 1st, adding you can enjoy the LTF pump while they last, but don't get too comfy. So a bearish outlook lined up with a CoinShares report published last week the most altcoin based investment vehicle witnessing negative investor sentiment, including BNB, Polkadot, Cardano, XRP, and Litecoin. Okay, so Solana also suffered as the week ending February 25th saw Solana investment product losing 2.6 million in the capital outflow. In contrast, assets investment product combined attract 36 million in the same period, with the multi-asset portfolio injecting the high capital of $14 million, followed by a BTC 17.3 million. So this is something that you can be well prepared, and you can invest now to move for 150 jump. Last week it was $90. Now today the price hit more than 100, and it'll be in upward trends for a couple of weeks from. In another update, I have something that what will happen to Ethereum miners and what they will do when the proof of stake, when Ethereum become a proof of stake blockchain. So let's check that out. What update we have it, as Ethereum is finally set to launch its Ethereum 2.0 upgrade later this year, putting an end to a long streak of delay. The network will start moving towards a proof of stake model. Consequently, the network will abandon the proof of work consensus algorithm, leaving Ether miner with a very few options, since their equipments will become obsolete and they will be forced to start mining altcoin as rectifying as a Ethereum stakers. So, what is the current state of Ethereum mining, and what exactly will happen to the industry as a result of the upcoming transaction? So, going through the update, what GPU versus ASCII, the Ethereum consensus is currently based on proof of work system, which is similar to a Bitcoin. Therefore, the mining process is nearly identical for Ethereum, as a miner use their computations resource to earn rewards for each block they manage to complete. However, there is still a major difference between these processes. While Bitcoin mining has become the almost entirely reliant on ASCII's large, loud machines depended specifically for a cryptocurrency mining that are mostly clustered in region with a cheap electricity. And Ethereum proof of work hashing algorithm called ehash has been designed to favor GPU unit issued by a global chip makers like an Nvidia and AMD. GPUs are much cheaper or more accessible than ASCII's. So, nevertheless, Ethereum network is not entirely immune to ASCII miners. At least the current state in April 2028, Bitmains released the anti-miner E3 and ASCII produced specifically for mining Ethereum. So, uh, So the progress of proof of work has not been integrated into Ethereum yet, and it is unclear when it will be eventually happen. In the March, the core Ethereum developer and debating whether the program proof of work would actually benefit the network for almost 2 hours and failed to reach a consensus. So this is the update to the mine or not mine. Let's come to the conclusion. The only Ethereum runs fully on the proof of stake rails. Miner will have two options. One is to sell the equipment and use the money to accumulate more Ethereum and start staking. While other options is which is available exclusively for the GPU miner is not to simply switch over to a Ethereum hash network and mine altcoins. So that's the one strategy you can follow as of now before it come the Ethereum 2.0 come. So okay, while the rest of the network will this rest of the network notice as a Ethereum ecosystem at a large expertise reassure that the transitions to POS will be conducted in an unaccomplished fashions, and the network participates casual users and decentralized applications built on top of Ethereum. So I hardly noticed that change, and so this is what the update is going to come. So before it moves to Ethereum 2.0, guys, You can start planning it, your mining equipments and all those. You have to move out from the mining strategies and start buying more Ethereum so that you can stake more. That's all I have it for today. And let's check that out. What is the market sentiment and market
Yeah.
status today?
Thanks, Manish, for that. So, okay, guys, we are climbing slowly at neutral, still at 50. I'm waiting for this to actually pump and reach at least between the 75 to 100. That will indicate that I'm going to look at my portfolio and find those actually percentage that has actually crossed for me to actually start to take profits. So, it's constant work, constant looking at the market, but the first step is always using the fear and greed index. After that, we'll just look at the heat map just to get a feel of the current market. So of course, it's a slight dip. Nothing to worry. Not gonna do any dollar cost average because we are slowly climbing back up to $2 trillion. Looking at the coins of the day, of course, today Kovacs Finance is the coin of the day based on Luna Crush. Top 10 coins. We have Torchain, Frontier, Phantom, Trust Wallet, Terra, Unified Protocol, Metis, Blocktopia, Solana, and Venus. So these are the top 10. So we have 17,000 cryptos, 450 exchanges, 1.9 trillion. We hope that we can actually cross back to the 3 trillion. I think that's the time where we see Bitcoin actually rise and hopefully break its all-time high. Volume, of course, is still at 100. 100 trillion that is happening within the 24-hour span. Of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum take 60% of the market share. Now, Bitcoin, of course, in the last 24 hours up by 1%, Ethereum 0.65, BNB 0.84, XRP down by 1.38, Terra Luna up by 5.66, Solana up by 4%, Cardano slightly down by 1.8. It was a 20 cents up from 70 cents just a couple days back. Avalanche, of course, in 10th place at slightly down by 3.3. So let's look over the Bitcoin saga. We are up by about 32% from its bottom on the 24th of Feb. Right now, we are stabilizing at 43,000. Hopefully, we can actually break the 46,000, and then the next resistance will be at the 50,000. But high volume is trading right now between the bears and the bulls at 44,000. A very good night run for Bitcoin, but we are overpriced. So right now it's overbought. So there will be some retracement that will be coming back down based on the RSI. But over the last few days, guys, since I think somewhere around the 27, we have seen more bulls than bears. But are we out of the bear? The answer is no. Based on the live charts, you can actually check any of your coins. Let me just hit there over for you guys. Looking at a portfolio. So at a quick glance of some of our favorite coin, you can see Bitcoin haven't crossed the 30 and especially the 1 year. But most of them have already crossed the 7 days, 30 days. Some of the coins has already broke the 30 days mark. So a general feel right now, it seems bullish. But of course, some of the coins are not yet actually breaking their all-time high as well as conquer. I think one point of time myself and Manish saw this entire chart was full green. I think that was the time that you should have already started to take profits to prepare for the cycle of life, right? The cycle of crypto. Whatever goes up has to come down. It is the nature of how things work. So that's all I have today in the market side of things. I'm going to hand over to Manish. But before I do that, join us daily live on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, 11 p.m. Singapore time, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in US. And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Manish, take it away.
Also, some important tweet is coming from CZ. Binance has forced an array of a new partnership with a regulated firm, especially in countries where it found it difficult to get regulated approvals. So Binance, the world leading crypto exchange by trading volume, is returning to Malaysia market with a strategic stake in the country regulated digital assets trading platform MX Global. So the good news is being shared by CG in their official Twitter handles, and that created a buzz in the market. And hoping probably in other countries also the Binance will be back so that we can take the advantage of our favorite exchange.
Yeah, we love fintech, and
Yeah.
Binance is one of the biggest exchanges. So I think hopefully let's see.
Hopefully, let's see. So that's all we have it for today, guys, and see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
Take care, guys.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the